Hey, hope you're doing well. I'm Aryan, and this is the second podcast in my weekly series. Today, we're tackling a pretty big question that you might have thought about. Is trading the same as gambling? Maybe you've asked yourself this. When you get into trading, is it really any different from gambling? Well, today we're going to look at it from a psychological perspective and figure out if trading is really gambling or not. First, let's break down both ideas. Gambling is basically making a bet where you risk money or something valuable, and it's all based on chance and randomness. There's no real plan or strategy behind it. It's all about luck and feelings. But trading is buying and selling financial stuff to make a profit. The big difference is trading is all about strategy, analysis, and managing risk. You don't just go with your gut. You use information and solid strategies to make decisions. If we want to dive deeper, think of it this way. You could technically see anything in life as a gamble, depending on how you look at it. For example, imagine you own a food distribution company. That's a business everyone knows about, right? Now, let me show you how gambling could apply to a business owner. Picture this. The owner sells 90% of their stock on credit to a customer they haven't even checked out, and they take a check in return. Isn't that a huge gamble with their assets? Of course it is. The business itself isn't gambling, but the owner's actions definitely are. The same thing happens in trading. If you don't know how to manage your money, understand the market, or haven't learned what you're doing, you're gambling. But can we say that a market where things like gold, oil, stocks, and all kinds of assets are traded is really gambling? Here's where trading is different. One of the key things in trading is controlling your emotions. As a trader, you've got to manage fear, greed, and all that mental pressure that comes with it. It's not just about guessing. You make decisions based on data and a plan. For example, you can use things like stop-loss orders to prevent emotional decisions, which will help you in the long run. So at the end of the day, the big difference between trading and gambling is that trading is a conscious, planned activity, while gambling is mostly based on luck and emotions. Trading lets you make smart decisions based on solid analysis, so you've got a better shot at success. You're using your skills and strategies, while gambling is more about chance. Now, to answer the question, is trading gambling or not? We can say, for those who jump into the market without knowing how to manage risk or control their emotions, yes, trading can definitely be like gambling. But for those who put in years of learning, take psychology seriously, and have discipline and a solid plan, trading is not gambling. For these people, trading is a conscious, strategic process that can lead to real profit over time. Just to make it clear, the stuff we talk about on this channel is purely for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, buying, selling tips, or an invitation to get into trading. Thanks for listening. Hope this episode gave you a fresh perspective on trading versus gambling. Feel free to drop your thoughts and suggestions, and make sure you check out the next podcasts. Until next time, take care and happy trading.